Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and boy, I'm on a mission this week. Today we're going to talk about the Mojo Wish Beans. Wow. Yes, we're going to talk about this and how you can use the Mojo Wish Beans to manifest whatever it is that you want or use it in whatever rituals you are doing. Now, this is a quick, simple video, and again, you're going to love it because you're gaining knowledge on feng shui, on rituals, everything we provide right here at My World of Metaphysics. So again, if you want to know about the Mojo Wish Bean and how you can use it in your rituals or your manifestation, listen, keep watching. Now, what can we do with this bean, okay? This bean is used to send out your wishes. It's almost like a 4-leaf clover, everyone. The bean is used to send out your wishes for whatever it is that you desire, whether it's abundance, whether it's money, whether it's protection or success in business, whatever it is. Maybe you're looking for some energy for healing or whatever it is that you want. This is the bean to hold when you're sending out that wish. Now, stick with me because I'm going to tell you how to do it, and this video is going to be very short. Now, what are the main things that I'm going to tell you that you can do with a Mojo Wish Bean? Now, the first thing is knowing exactly what it is that you want, okay? After you got the bean. And you're going to find a quiet place to sit, and you're going to hold the bean. Now, today we're going to hold the bean in our dominant hand, okay? And I'm going to explain why. We're going to hold the bean in your dominant hand, and you're going to set the intention for whatever it is that you want. So find a place where you're quiet. You could take a couple of deep breaths in and out, and you're going to hold the bean in your dominant hand, your sending hand, okay? And you're going to send out a wish, a blessing, stating, God, thank you for blessing me with my new home. At this moment, I am sending the intentions out that my home is already here for me. It is already done, and it's just a matter of time before it manifests in the physical. Far as I'm concerned, it is already here. I have my 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage. Everything is right for the perfect price, the perfect location with the perfect neighbors. And you're going to hold this bean and then find a place to keep it near you for 7 days, everyone. Yes. So you're going to keep this either in your wallet. You're going to keep it in a bag if you want to. Okay. You could put it in a bag just like this, or you can place it in your pocketbook, wherever. But I need you to keep this around with you. Some people might even put it in a coil and hold it around their neck. You're going to do this for about 7 days, keeping this bean with you. What it is, it's almost like you're fertilizing, you're getting this bean all ready for you to plant it. On the 7th day, you're going to go outside, you're going to kick up a little bit of dirt, and you're going to plant the seed, the bean, okay? Now listen, you can plant it outside or you can plant it in a pot, a flowered pot that you may have in your home. Another thing is people might wrap it in a little piece of paper and burn it on charcoal. It's up to you how you want to do it. But the whole thing is after you hold the bean on you, around you for 7 days, now it's time to send it out to the universe, okay? It is just that simple, everyone. Now, some of you might be saying, Vet, why the right hand and not the left hand? If you feel comfortable of using your receiving hand, go right ahead and do it. But for this one, you're basically sending the blessing out to the universe. This is your wish, and your wish is going out to the universe to bless you with whatever it is that you desire. Now, one tip that I want to give you guys, and I give you guys this on every single video when it comes down to rituals, and that is you must take action, okay? Nothing comes by you lying in the bed, okay? So you really need to take action, whether it's putting in a resume, whether it's getting out playing the lotto, looking for a grant, shopping around for new houses, whatever it is that you want. I just need you to take action in whatever it is that you're doing. And the next thing is having faith and belief that the universe is going to bless you with whatever it is that you desire. Okay? So the bean represents your wish, and you are actually setting up the intention in the bean for whatever it is that you desire, sending that wish out, keeping it on you, keeping that energy on you as it grows and grows and grows over the next 7 days, and then you're planting it, and then you move on, knowing that that wish has been sent out. It is just that simple. Now, another thing you can do with the Mojo Wish Bean, again, is you can say a blessing over it, and you can make a money bag, abundance bag. You can make a money jar, whatever it is, okay? Like this right here, a money jar, and you can add a Mojo Wish Bean after you set the intention in it and place it in the jar. Now, listen, be creative, you guys. Whether you're placing a Mojo Wish Bean in a jar and keeping it with you forever, or keeping it in a bag and carrying around with you with bay leaves and cinnamon sticks and money and crystals, whatever it is. But the Mojo Wish Bean is going to add that extra bonus, that extra energy to help supercharge your manifestations. Another thing you can do, you can actually place this around your front door as a wish, okay? With your bay leaves, your cinnamon, your basil, your crystals, whatever you have, you can always add a Mojo Wish Bean after you prayed on it in that area. And listen, it is just that simple. Many of you are going to see things happen right away. Others are going to say, you know what? I prayed on that Mojo Wish Bean. I went to the casino and I won $50,000. Whatever it is. The whole thing is setting the intent, expecting the best, and letting it go. But remember, you guys, it's your belief that's going to get you there. And again, you guys, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. If you want to know any more rituals about anything, we talk about herbal magic, affirmation, scripting, mirror work, bay leaves, cinnamon, everything again is right here, all in one place. And again, everyone, if you want this product right here, look in the description. And again, namaste.